Daddy and Kelly here at Kids Planet Mission. Today we are experimenting to see if we can make environmentally friendly Play-Doh. Stick around and see if this is a success or a fail, and learn some facts along the way.
You can do it!
I can do it. Today we are using 2 cups of organic spelt flour. Spelt has a higher resistance to environmental factors than normal wheat and can be grown in harsh conditions without pesticides. It can also be grown in poorly drained and low fertility soil, which means it's suitable for organic farming. We're using 3/4 of a cup of Maui River salt. We bought the flakes and just crush them up. We no longer use Himalayan salt, since finding out it's not good for the environment. It's not a renewable resource, and when it's gone forever. It's normally mined in Pakistan, not in the Himalayas. It also has to travel many miles to get to us, which is a lot of gas emissions. Maui River salt is from Australia, so less food miles to travel to us. It's more sustainable and from a renewable resource, and it's bursting with minerals for health. Using the salt is also helping combat the inland salinity problem, so it's a winner. We're also using 1 tablespoon of hemp oil. Hemp is sustainable and also good for the soil and environment. We weren't able to buy any environmental food coloring for today. Don't let the ones that you already have go to waste. Otherwise you'll be adding to the food wasting issue. Alternatives are to use colours from food like turmeric powder or the juices from Hawaiian sweet potato, purple cabbage, carrot or parsley, or beetroot like we'll try today. So let's get started. First we'll pour our hemp oil into our water. And then we'll pour our food colouring in. Then in our big bowl, we'll put our flour and salt. And mix it all together. Now we'll add our other mixture. And mix together. Kelly's using food colouring that we had in the cupboard. I'm going to start using my hands now. I'm going to use a little bit more beetroot juice since it's not as dark as normal food colouring.
You want a little bit more, Baba?
Sure.
Okay.
I just want to add a little bit more because I want it to be even pinker.
How are you going, Bubba? Good? Well, get your fingers in there, mix it up. Mix.
Sissy.
Yeah, just like Sissy. She did. Are you making scary Play-Doh? Does it feel like Play-Doh?
Yeah.
It does?
But it feels a little bit squishy,
Really?
like slime. Okay, he's just doing her own thing over here. Actually, make your apple.
What is it?
It's this job. It's doubling this in Mommy's class.
What language are you speaking? You mix it up.
Well, here. On it. Get out. With the ashes about. And I got it.
Yeah, you actually tip it out.
This is super stretchy. This is a light pink color.
Yep, you're going to mix it up and show Dad. Back to it, hey Bubba. You're a tough cookie, aren't you?
I'm a cookie. What are you making in that cup, Italia? Ice cream. Yeah. Ice cream. And in that cup, she's making ice cream.
It looks delicious, Bubba.
And chocolate ice.
Oh, mint and chocolate. Yum, yum.
And I think it was a success because it's just like the normal Play-Doh that we make, but it is good for the environment.
Bubba, do you think this was a success?
Or not?
Yep. Do you love it? Are you going to keep it?
Let me just put the blood crack on it. There we go.
We should have used this for Halloween, hey?
Yeah, it looks like blood. Yes! Look at it. And I'll add a little bit more flour since it's sticky. There's some more flour in here. Yeah, power. We need more power. We need more power.
You need more flour? I don't think you do, but we can. No, you don't need more, Bubba. You just need to mix it all. Yeah, you got to mix it in, otherwise it'll be too dry. So if you've got too much flour, you need to add more water. You just mix it all up. Did you drop some? Does Mummy need to get it? Say yes please, Mum. Where did it go?
My camouflage is in the glass.
I know. You're making me come here for this tiny little piece.
I need some sushi. Before I give it a complete tick of approval, I gotta make sure I can roll it out and use a Play-Doh cutter with it worked, but mine's a bit sticky because I added lots of beetroot juice.
Okay, Kalia, show us what you got. Oh, got this around the wrong way. Goes that way. Push hard.
Finish making fairy floss. But it's good to make fairy floss with it. Well, it's good to make fairy floss with it.
You showed off your sister. How good is it, Papa?
True.
Yeah.
Mom.
So, I think if we add a little bit more flour to this, we'll be able to make yours work. So let's give that a go, okay?
I just added some more flour so it's not as sticky, and I'm gonna give it one last go. That bit's working, that bit's working, that bit's working, that's good. So this Play-Doh was definitely a success. So Kids Planet Mission is environmentally friendly Play-Doh, the big tick of approval. I'm so happy this worked. Thank you for watching Kids Planet Mission. Bye. Good Planet Mission. I'll see you next time. It's not a vanilla. It's more sustainable. It's more sustainable.